What's going on, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. We're over here in Hobe Sound, Lob Lolly, and we're doing rust mitigation. They had a over here in this dark area, they had a golf cart battery explosion and went everywhere, and it was bright orange color of the cones, and they treated it real quick, but when they treated it, it ran down on both sides of the guard check here, all over the pavers, all out. You can see it all out onto the road there. And so what we're doing right now is we already did this far side. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But we already pre-treated this whole entire section here. The other side's done. I'll show you what that side looks like. Even though this isn't the affected area, we try to come out 15 to 20 feet past that. You can see this was the affected area here, but it ran down on both sides. So what we did is we feathered it. It's a lot more work. We actually feathered it so everything looks uniform. I'm out here in the traffic zone, but so anyway, basically all the pavers hadn't been done, and so there's rust mitigation all throughout. There was rust mitigation all the way out to the road here, and for the most part all of it came off. It's not that dark orange anymore, and so we went over all the stripes and everything to clean everything up for them, and then we're just going to basically cut straight across on this lower section here, because that's certain the light post marks and the shadow from the lines actually marks the property line. So that's property line, so we're not going to go past that. That's all city past that. We can see kind of the track that it made here and how it's orange. So we pre-treated all that. We're going to do this side. They're doing traffic control, and so we're going to get it all cleaned up for them here, and they're really happy. I guess their main manager, their HOA, is going to talk to us about doing a lot more work here for them. So anyway, just want to show you guys what we're doing, what we've got going on today. You got any pressure washing needs, any specific kind of detail work as far as pressure washing or soft washing goes, either you're in an HOA or you're in charge of an HOA like a manager, give Titan a call today. You can follow us on our website, titanpw.com, or on YouTube, which is titanpressurewashing.fl. Till next time, guys.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stewart, Florida. Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stewart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof, concrete, and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.